Can the craft and planner communities ever be pleased? Like, seriously, can the communities ever be pleased? Is it me? Or are craft stores turning into home goods? Because what is going on? Hi Zoidies and Zoyos! Welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, and today, I guess we could call it, let's call it, come on, it's a Planner tea. Honestly, I don't really have like tea, but I have some stuff I want to talk about because I went to the craft store a few days ago and why it look like that? So I was walking through the craft store and I panned the craft store and was like, damn, this is a big ass store. Let me go to my usual paper craft section. I was walking to the paper crafts and just noticed, I don't know why, like I've been known this, but it just dawned on me. This is the only section for paper crafts. And then 1/3 of the store is the only section for crafts, all crafts. And the rest of the damn store is random ass furniture and decor. I did so much walking through the store and turning corners and was just like, damn. I really don't shop a lot in here like I used to. And I actually don't go to many parts of the store. Wow. I went to Michael's and I went to Hobby Lobby. Can we talk about it? No, just for a second. Like, let's talk about it for a second. Before I talk about it, I almost forgot. I want to thank my Zoyos. Thank you so much, Zoyos, for further supporting Plannerzoid. Stay tuned. I am adding 2 additional tiers. It's going to be so awesome trying to up the experience. And also, we got to talk for a second. Can we talk? My computer has been saying fuck you, bitch, lately. Okay? It's been saying fuck you to me. And Plannerzoid does not want to lose the momentum she's getting. Okay, Plannerzoid loves making content for you guys. So I will soon be putting out a campaign and I would need help getting an upgrade, a better laptop, so Plannerzoid can keep editing and making videos for you guys. And of course, keeping the experience alive because my computer is killing it. I can't even stream on the YouTube like I'm supposed to. I can't even stream the video games. I got sidetracked. Craft stores. Is my eyelashes coming off? I think my eyelashes coming off, y'all. Oh my gosh. Craft stores. So I want to know. Y'all let me know your opinions down in the comments. Like, is it just me? Or is it craft stores are becoming the new home goods? Because it's like, what is even going on anymore? Like, I see a whole bunch of random ass decor that's just like, who would buy this shit? Seriously. And I don't mean to be mean, but I want to be honest. They have it so mass produced, like it's not going to sell out. It's not. Every once in a while, something may go viral, but then bye. On to the next because these damn trends that I can't keep up with. Y'all know what's crazy? I've actually had this feeling for like years, for a long time. Like it's just crazy. Like, I don't know. Maybe I didn't like really think about it until like I really got deeper into the planner and craft communities. But like, I feel like craft stores have been on a decline for a while. like for years, like even before we had to deal with the damn pandemic and all that, right? So I came across a post on Reddit and I thought I could add it to this video and talk about it, all right? So, does anyone else feel like the big box craft stores hardly sell craft supplies anymore? I've been noticing this trend over the past few years. By the way, this post is 3 years old. I've been noticing this trend over the past few years. I feel like big, giant... Why can't I read today? I've been noticing this trend over the past few years. I feel like big craft store giants like Michaels and AC Moore have been using up more and more of their space for home decor and ready-made decorations and less space for, you know, actual craft supplies. This was made 3 years ago. How long have y'all felt like this, okay? Because over the years, the home goods have gotten worse. They're not that cute. And sometimes there are some nice stuff. I'm not saying they never have nice stuff, but I definitely see an influx of it in the stores. And now that Joann's is closed, okay, I think now like craft stores are really flooded with a whole bunch of just shit. I recently took the time to go to Michael's for some plastic needlepoint canvas and unfinished wooden dowels. Basic stuff they always have for years, right? Definitely not worth wasting shipping just for those two small things. But they didn't have either. How do you not have wooden sticks at a craft store? It's happened to me more times than I can count. Even in the few years before COVID too. So I know it's just not a recent COVID What the fuck is going on? Okay. I'm discombobulated today. Hello, reboot. Okay. I don't even know what sentence. Oh, okay. But they didn't have either. The two wooden dowels he was talking about. The two that he didn't have either. How do you not have wooden sticks at a craft store? It happened to me more times than I can count, even in the few years before COVID too. So I know it's not just a recent COVID-related supply chain thing. Has anyone else noticed this trend? I feel like it's pushing me to shop online from places like Amazon, which I would rather never support, but sometimes it's the only option to get everything I need, and I can't afford to always shop everything from indie suppliers. Thus begins the Amazon online only cycle. They don't carry it in stores, so I'm forced to shop online for it, which means they continue to have no incentive to stock it in the store. Why did that just make my brain twitch? Like, oh. You know, because I miss going into the store, okay? I really do. Like, sometimes you just want to touch the item, okay? You want to touch it. You want to sniff it. You want to hold it, okay? And then, most of all, you want to damn look at it. Like, you want to see what the item is. And you can't get all that when it's online, okay? And I ain't gonna lie. I really do hate I hate when I have to shop online for small shit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I just needed a quick little supply to go into like something like to craft with, just a quick little like a pen or something, and I have to like get it online and wait, that'll piss me off too. I couldn't agree with you more, especially the feeling of being pushed to shop on Amazon, which I can't do because I don't have credit cards. I like to be able to go to a store, see what I'm getting, rather than shop online and hope it's what I want. Waiting on shipping and hoping you can return something, and another huge turnoff with the online shopping. Yeah. Nowadays it seems hard to return shit back. Hobby Lobby is the worst. At least where I live, 2 to 3 of... Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Hobby Lobby is the worst. At least where I live. 2/3 of the store is decor candles and overpriced Disney and Coke merch. A framing department with no one ever manning it. And maybe 10 aisles at the very back of the store with hobby/craft stuff. And 2 aisles of yarn on the side. More decor posing a store. Sorry, that's funny because more decor posing as storage. I can relate to that because Michaels sells a lot of storage. And y'all be eating it up. Y'all just be buying it. Me too. Coming in late, I went to Michael's for the first time in years. I walked every stinking aisle, bought like 3 things. 2 of them after Christmas sales, LOL. Can I say something real fast? Why is it that, I used to have hauls ready from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, like the craft stores. Now I be buying like 1, 2 items, maybe a few, like 4. I mean, if it's a real good sale, maybe like 10. The aisle formation sucks. I hate when they have some one way and some the other. It's my head is saying it correctly. Whoa, what is happening today? Wait, y'all, I promise it's not like that. My head is saying it correctly. Claustrophobic. There it is. There it is, y'all. The aisle formation sucks. I hate when they have some one way and some the other. It's claustrophobic, and I feel like I'm missing. Okay, that's funny because y'all seen when I was walking through my craft stores, right? It was boxes every fucking where. You can get lost in your shit. Your child could get lost. Don't lose your child in the craft store. Because it's like, why the hell are all them boxes in the way? I can't even shop. It's like, I gotta squeeze by those boxes. You know, she's right. He or she, yeah, they right. Just let me snake around like a grocery store. Prices. Is this a joke? I can't with the world's prices. And this is before this craptastic inflation years we're in. You know, that's so funny because this is 3 years old. And they're complaining about inflation then. And the time before. And the time before. When the cycle in, y'all? And they didn't want to change it? They didn't want to... What? This is why Amazon's killing it. Honestly, my pocketbook... Oh, okay, this is a woman. An old woman. This is why Amazon is killing it. Honestly, my pocketbook will outweigh my beliefs, and I will order online every time if I could find a cute Valentine tablecloth on Amazon for $22, and the cheapest one at Michael's has is $50 on sale. Damn. Just went to Michael's for tracing paper and wasn't able to find it. Wasn't able to find a #1 pencil. Wasn't able to find jack shit that wasn't pre-assembled holiday crap. Same for art supplies. It's either gone or it's junk. Michael's has gone so far downhill, it's incredible. At this point, Joann's. At this point, Joann's has a better paper craft section, and they used to really be primarily a fabric store. And it's not like their section for general craft supplies. Why the fuck can I read today? And it's not like their selection for general craft supplies is great, really. Well, damn. You just talk great about Joann's and shadow them at the same time. Can the craft and planner communities ever be pleased? Like, seriously, can the communities ever be pleased? I just assumed that those home decor things were tailored to crafters without any actual creativity. Dang. Kind of like those color by number pictures, but with interior design. Well, how do y'all feel about that? Do you think the home decor things are tailored to crafters with no creativity, no DIY skills? Well, y'all know as usual. Let me know down below in the comments how you feel, what your opinion is, because it's a lot of comments over here, so I can't read through all of these, okay? But I will say, thank you so much for watching, and of course, stay tuned for another video.